Day 9, super fine. It's a cleaning day, starting with our bikes, then on to our terribly dirty floors, and finally my CV needs to get some attention too. Time to get back up on the horse. Coming! Wow, what's this? Oh, it's from one of my colleagues. Look at that.
Hoping our quarantine will go faster and at least sweeter with small presents from me. Let me know if you need anything else.
How sweet is that? This, oh my gosh, the best cookies from Croatia. They're like orange with chocolate. They're like Brown's favorite. These are the chocolate of these biscuits, which is just crazy good. Oh my gosh. These are by far the best brownies in the world. Oh my gosh. They're gonna be as big as a house. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my goodness. And I'm sure these are even hot still. Look at this. My favorite brownies in the world. This is insane. My Croatian friend, you are a rock star. Thank you for making our day and for being such a loving friend. At the end of a long cleaning day, I get to stop, reflect, and be thankful with my favorite buddy in the world, my hubby.